Oh, snaps. This first person view. Oh, snap. Dude, we can't do this. Holy crap.
Why not? We're gonna
What?
do it against each other. Let's do it against each
All right,
other.
go for it. Go for it.
Woo!
Oh, crap. Hold on.
Lauren versus Carmen. Carmen versus Lauren. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Who's gonna win? Come on, shoot them at each other. There you go. Man, you guys get close. Hey, watch out! Are they on fire? Where's that?
Yeah.
Ink.
Okay.
You'll be alright.
I will be fine.
You just
I'm
got
not a blue.
a what?
I want another Roman candle fight.
There's no more.
Carmen's lighting up the first one. Second one. Carmen. Holy moly. Yeah. Oh no. That wasn't smart. Donut, hey, look. Dude, don't put it so far into the ground, otherwise it's not gonna go up. You gotta like Ah! Sweet. All right, let's head on out before we hear some sirens. Run as fast as you can.
I think I've gone deaf in my right ear.
You?
Dude, I was right there. The one that just exploded.
Yeah, it was.
My right ear is ringing like.
All right, goodbye we go.